What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tika, aka Hippie Skippy. So I know this video is kind of different because I wanted to do a vlog, entrepreneur vlog. Yes, and plus I wanted to tell you guys and show you guys a little bit about my CMOS and elderberry journey. I'm going to show it to y'all right now. I'm just enjoying this beat face, y'all. If you're here, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I apologize for the delay, but you guys, I got back in school and then I started my entrepreneurship journey. So that's why I really been like gone for so long. But y'all, I'm coming back. I plan on posting this video the same day as I recorded. So yes, beat face come through. We are going to the bank because I have to make a business account for a sheer coincidence. I have my sheer coincidence shirt on. And then after that, alright guys, so we are in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys my CMOS and my elderberry, and you guys are gonna watch me take it and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. Okay, so first of all, let me turn my camera around. Hold on. Okay, you can kind of see, but this is the girl that I bought my CMOS from. Alright, you guys, so I decided to tell you guys some of the benefits of CMOS. So some of the benefits of CMOS is that it boosts your immune system, it helps reduces inflation, it improves digestion, it detoxes your body, and it also helps with coughs and infections. Y'all, I love CMOS so much. Like I said, I'm used to taking the capsules. This is my first time actually trying the actual gel, so yes. Alright guys, and then we're going to move on over to elderberry. Elderberry also boosts your immune system, and it also tames inflation, and it also lessens your stress. You guys, elderberry is very, 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 very good for you. So we are going to take, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons, I don't know, I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of this, and we're going to take 1 teaspoon of this as well. This is the box that it came in. Herbie medicine. And it came with tea. Ginger. If y'all know me and know me well, you guys know I'm a huge tea person. I love tea. So I'm super excited about that. Alright, cool. So I'm going to open it up and then I'm going to take it because it's really time for me to go to the bank. So I'm going to go ahead and take it, and so we can get on with our day, okay? So this is purple CMOS. This is a consistency of it. It lasts up to 3 weeks. You can take this. You can take this in capsule form. That's what I'm used to. I'm used to capsule form. But and you also can put them in your smoothie. But I live with other people, and the blender can be loud. So I'm just going to take a teaspoon. My first time taking it, it was overwhelming. I was like, oh my god. It was overwhelming. It was like coconut oil because it's very thick, so it's not something that like you used to swallow with. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. But like I said, it tastes like the sea, like it tastes like the ocean, like yes. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. So okay, and then we have elderberry. So elderberry. By the way, y'all, this is my personal 2 jars, so I use the same spoon because ain't nobody else, these are mine. But elderberry tastes like apple pie. It's so good. This is so good. It don't look good, but hold on, let me see if I can turn my camera around. It tastes like apple pie. It's very good. It's really good to go after CMOS because CMOS is so thick and the elderberry syrup is a little bit thinner. So I'm gonna put these back in the fridge and then we can go in my room and I'm gonna show you guys my herbs, and then yes, we'll go from there. Alright guys, and these are the herbs and capsules that I take every day. Do not talk about my Flintstone vitamins. Y'all, I have herbs for days. I take all of these every day. They are my holy grail, and that's how they look. I love them so much. So much. Okay, so now I just take them, and it's not hard for me to take them at all. I pop them all in my mouth at one time, and I take them. Don't talk about me. now we are going to grab my ink file, business documents. This has my LLC, my business name, all my business information in here. So we're gonna grab this. I have some money because you need $100 to start or to open up a business account. You need $100. Alrighty, and we're back in action, you guys. So now I'm just gonna spray my face with my sheer coincidence spray, y'all. This one don't have no label because this is my personal bottle. So add some hydration back to my face from that setting powder. So yes, we finna head out to the bank. PNC. I have an appointment set. I have an appointment set to open up my business account for sheer coincidence. If you guys do not know about sheer coincidence is, hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Safety first always. I'm sorry guys, I only record when I stop, so don't talk about me. But yes, sheer coincidence is a business that I started about 2 years ago, where I make my own butters and serums and sprays, and I also included wholesale. So I also sell waist beads and sunglasses and my chakra bracelet that you see here. Oh, my skin. Oh, look at my skin. Sheer coincidence is popping. Anyways, that's a little bit about me. And y'all, I'm just now launching my stuff. Like, I've been working on it for 2 years and I never launched it because I'm not saying I'm a perfectionist or anything, but like, I'm just my own worst critic, so I just kept working on it until. Hey, what's up, you guys? So what's up, y'all? So I just left the bank and I just got my bank, my business bank account open, sitting at the table making boss moves, period. Yes, I'm so excited, and my banker, she lit. She told me the importance of having a bank account for your business and the importance of separating your business from your personal account and your business from your personal expenses. So yes, we are done with that. I went with PNC. She gave me a whole bunch of goodies. I am in traffic, y'all. I can't even show it to y'all. But PNC, she gave me a whole bunch of dope goodies or whatever. So now I am heading to the city hall because I am about to go and get I'm about to go get my business license, and we're gonna see how that's gonna go. I'm sorry I keep saying y'all. I like this. I never experienced. I never like went through nothing like this before, so this is my first time going through all of this to launch my business, because I'm gonna make sure the business portion of my business is correct before I launch it. You know, I'm not gonna be out here half stepping. If you know me, you know me well, you know I'm not gonna launch it until it's right. So yeah, we're getting all of the business portion out of the way, and yeah, y'all, I will see y'all at the White House. Yeah, I feel some type of way because I should have known that they would not be open. I'm not sure they open, but the fact that I don't see no cars, I don't feel like they open. And then I just tried to call. So what I am going to do, I see a man right here. I'm about to get out of the car. Let me get my face mask. And I know I'm gonna need some money if they are open, but like I said, I don't think they open. So okay, y'all, let's see. Hi, so kind of found out I was in the wrong location, so I went to go circle the block. So now I think I'm at the city hall. I'm gonna bring my paperwork with me, and we're gonna see if I can get my business license today. Hey. So I got my mask, I got my keys, I got my business information. And now we're just gonna do this because we in the city. So I don't even, you do it back here. Take my quarter. So we good for 30 minutes. It is hot in this mask, y'all, and I usually don't wear makeup. I usually don't wear face makeup when I go out, but I knew I was going to record today, so I wanted a full face. But y'all, it's hot in this mask. I'm not gonna flex. But yeah, we're just walking until we get to where we're going to where we need to be, which is that 25 right there that you see right there. Okay, guys, so they are not letting me go inside to get my business license, but that is A-okay because they told me that I'm going to have to get it mailed. So I'm going to go home. I do have a printer, so I'm going to go home and get the application and fill out the application and go ahead and get that in the mailbox before 3 o'clock hits. And yeah, we get my business license because I'm not playing no games. So we got back here in time with 15 minutes on the clock. So yes, now I'm gonna give me something to eat, and then I'm gonna go back home, and I'm probably gonna do some more business stuff at home. So I may do a little bit more vlogging for you guys. Like I said, once I do get done, I'm going to I want to have this video posted by tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I was talking so low that I had to do a voiceover. I hope that is okay. But you guys, I'm just here. I'm eating a garden Cobb salad from Zaxby's and some french fries. Yes, so yeah, that's base. Oh, and some ranch and some honey mustard, hot honey mustard sauce. So you guys, I am still over here eating, but while I eat, if you guys have not, please take this time to subscribe to my channel and to like this video and to turn the notifications on for my channel. If you guys like my entrepreneurship videos, I would not mind making more for you guys. It's very easy for me to put them together and to go ahead and upload them to YouTube. So if you guys like these videos, I can make more. You guys just let me know in the comments. And yeah, hi. Okay guys, so I'm just chilling outside. I'm just thinking and plotting what I want to do next. So I already have my laptop plugged up because once I go back in the house, I'm gonna go ahead and print out the application for my business license, because like I said, y'all, I have to have that mailed out by 3 today, and it's 1:16. So yes, and after that, I'm thinking about showing you guys how I set up my space in my room for my business, how I set it up. But I may just wait for another video for that, you know. I'm gonna make you wait. What we're gonna say? I'm gonna make you wait. Yeah, I'm gonna make you wait. So yeah, I may just end it at that. I may just do the business licenses and just make this a business video and then just. So right now I'm just printing it out. You guys can kind of see me. You guys will never know the importance of a printer until you get one. I had to print out a copy of my ID, and oh my god, it looked like it's huge, but I don't have to go anywhere. Yeah, so basically my ID picture is printing out. You guys do not understand how the importance of a printer is when starting a business. It is very, very, very convenient. I would 100% recommend it. But yes, you guys, please ignore my picture. I was one of them people who did not know that you have to take a new picture to get a new license. So yeah. All right, guys, so I have everything printed out. I have a total of 3 sheets printed out to get my business license. And yeah, so now what I have to do is I have to write my first check, and the total is for my business license for doing makeup and my business license for selling my products. So I had to get 2 different kinds, so the total for those 2 were $224. So I have to write out a check to the city of Alabama for $224. Okay, cool. So we are back out here in this heat. I'm gonna drop this in the mailbox, and let me give y'all time check. It is 3:05, so I got it done in good times, and I did not have to get a money order because I have checks. So yes, I just put the check in there, and yeah, so hopefully everything will go good with it. And that's about it, y'all. So I guess that's the end of my vlog for today, because I'm just doing the business portion, like paperwork, basically the stuff that nobody want to do when it comes to doing a business. That's what I did today. People like doing the fun part, making the stuff, but they don't want to spend the money, and they don't want to, do that. But yes, if you are starting a business, I hope this video help you. I'm out here to help us all. I see no competition. I am my own competition. I'm out here to help. So if you are starting a business and this video has helped you, that's amazing. Please drop a comment. Please share, like, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like this video and you would like to see more videos. Y'all like my hair? Let me show y'all how long my hair is. My outfit was cute, but this is how long my hair is, and I love it, and I want my hair to stay like this forever. Crazy, I know. Yes. Anyway, yes, y'all let me know what y'all want to see next. If y'all want to see me package my stuff, actually get ready for my lunch, because that's what I'm doing. I'm getting ready to lunch my website. Yes, y'all, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment.